I am obsessed with these new gadgets. Look at this iridescent phone case and the matching earbuds. And this little fan is perfect for on the go.
Problem solved.
To use it, simply slide the cushion underneath your strap. It redistributes the pressure, eliminating that painful digging.
As you can see, the stretch on these clear matte straps is incredible. And look at this, they are extremely durable and flexible. Here is the 3-hook extender pack. You get one in black, nude and white to match any bra.
Strap glue keeps everything perfectly in place. I love it. These silicone petals are designed to be ultra thin right to the edge, ensuring a completely smooth finish under any outfit.
See how smoothly this lays over the camisole? It passes the t-shirt test for modesty. And just like that, you have the perfect layered look without the bulk. It's so comfortable too. Wrap the long strap around your torso, hook it in the front and adjust the tension. As you can see, it sits much lower now, perfect for a backless dress. As you can see, once applied, this tape provides incredible lift and grip. It's not going anywhere. I love how these sweat guards protect my silk. You just peel the adhesive liner and apply it directly to the underarm seam like this.